Okay, really quick, I just wanted to show you guys a quick Walmart, few things I picked up at Walmart. They had a lot of the Pioneer Woman stuff on clearance. Now, some of it wasn't the best prices, but I've been looking for this placemat. They had 3 of them because I wanted to make that zippered bag out of this, as I saw the original blogger that showed me how to do this vlogger. She used this pattern and it looked really nice, so I picked one up. It was $3. So it wasn't, you know, it's normally probably $3.46, but anyway, picked that up. And then they had, which was a better deal, the Pioneer Woman's towels right here, and these were $3 for 2, and these are at least, you know, $6 for 2 regularly. And they had a placement, I think, to match this one. But, so it's 2 towels, and this is, you know, more of a quilted towel, and this is more of a flour sack towel. Nice patterns, and they were $3. Yes. And then these with Charlie the dog on the front, and then that houndstooth pattern, and then this one, so which is the flour sack kind of towel here, and this is more of a it's a thicker, thirstier, kind of a almost like a bar mop towel or something, thirstier towel. So those were $3. And I picked up this because it had, like I showed you before for crafts and things, really nice size characters. So like I said, I like to copy those and put them on crafts and things. So I picked up one of those. Then I picked up, I have so many cookie cutters, but I don't know where they're packed away right now, so I just picked up these and a ghost. And I picked up some sprinkles, which I've put away, some nonpareils. And then I picked up for that welcome project, this is 2 blue paint. And for the joy side, I picked up this silver glitter and then this gold metallic. And I picked up 2 of these guys. These were 99 cents. Let's see, anything else? I think that was that on that. And then I have a Dollar Tree one coming up. But yeah, that was just some things. You know, I mean, I've got a lot of other things, but I mean, just any of the sale kind of items would be that. Oh, one other thing. Yes, I do. Okay, if you like peanuts, these go really fast. You might remember the one I got from Hobby Lobby last year. It was the Snoopy, and he was, I think, the last one in Hobby Lobby, and then I think they had a Charlie Brown in Hobby Lobby, but he was broken. He was missing his arm or something. Well, they had the same one in Walmart, and so I picked him up because there was only 2 left, and the other one that was there, I don't know, he had like this sticking in his eye. So picked him up, and he wasn't on sale or anything, but he completes my collection, and I get usually at least one nutcracker every year because I collect them, but I collect the peanuts, so picked him up while he was there. And that, I think, is all the interesting stuff there that I got at Walmart. All right, guys, let me know what your favorite item was, and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.